Let me give you the story. So, my wife hires movers. They pack up our house in Orange County. They decide they're going to deliver on Sunday.
I blow the wind of God. The wind of God on you.
I hate moving. I hate it. I hate it. The movers show up at our house, our new house, but our new house is behind a gated community. And by the way, the guards have guns. The guard made it really clear those two trucks are not getting through this gate while I'm here on a Sunday. Why, you ask? Because the HOA does not allow moving on Sundays. At this point, I'm at what's called Max Q. And if you don't know what Max Q is, just watch a little launch from Mission Control at SpaceX. So my stuff is in 2 storage units. My house is closed, and I can't move into the night.
I got no place else to go.
But this is a lesson to all you out there. You better check with the HOA before you move in. I bought the house. We'll let you know when you can move in.
Wow.
Yeah.